Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm taking you to Hobby Lobby now that the fall decor is 40% off, and I'm going to show you what I think is the very best of their fall decor. I'm not going to show you any of what I call the fluff. I'm only going to show you the very top recommendations, the things that I either own or would buy if I had a place for it. We're also gonna peek around at the clearance sections. They have spring clearance, 66% off, and the 75% off clearance, because there are definitely pieces that work in those areas, as well as their everyday decor. So we're gonna take a look around the whole store basically, and I'm gonna show you my favorites. The first I'm going to start off with are these Blackberry stems. These are so gorgeous. I actually own these. They look so realistic and they're a really unique option, and I think they are a must for this fall. I absolutely love natural decor, and this is actually real dried and preserved floral. I've hauled this on my channel like 3 or 4 times now, and I actually use this in my wedding flowers, so this has a special place in my heart, and I think it is really nice. They also have these vintage inspired brass pheasants. They are kind of like a resin. These are going to be very popular this year, as well as other kind of brass figurines. These ones are covered in glitter though, but I feel like that could help you take them into Christmas, although even if they didn't have glitter, I would use them for Christmas. I feel like they are a multifunctional piece. I really like their copper options, and I think that this copper pitcher would be stunning with those Blackberry stems that I shared just a minute ago. Next up, these gorgeous leather chargers are so pretty. You'll notice I'm gravitating towards a lot of pieces that are very fall but could be used year-round. I like to keep my house feeling really cozy outside of the fall season because I don't know, I always want it to feel like fall, but I don't always need it to have pumpkins and stuff. So I like to pick up pieces like these chargers or those copper pieces that I can leave out for the rest of the year, but work really well for the fall season especially. Next up, I love these little Trinket dishes. These are perfect for your nightstand. I don't know about you guys, but I don't go crazy with decor in the bedroom, but something like this is the perfect little touch. It wouldn't be a fall video without some pumpkins, so here are a few of my favorites at Hobby Lobby. I love the natural material ones. I feel like they are very sophisticated and high-end looking. In fact, they're very reminiscent of some that are at Pottery Barn, so they're definitely the look for less, and I always recommend getting the look for less when you can and saving a little bit of money. I also love amber. I am a sucker for amber, and I just think these amber glass pumpkins are so beautiful. They are heavy and high quality too. And for years, I decorated with velvet pumpkins. I still have some, but I have definitely downsized my collection. Every time I see one though, I just fall in love with them all over again. And these ones are so cute with the little curly Q stem. These wood pumpkins are really, really nice and high-end looking. However, Home Goods does have similar pumpkins, way bigger for a similar price. And I think that these acorns are really classy. They would be an excellent bowl filler. And here's the price tag so you can see how much they cost. There is just something about corn husk that screams fall. I love that it's natural, and they have this little bag of loose pieces of it that you can just add into an arrangement, a garland, a wreath, and really help create that realistic, natural look. I also am obsessed with this wreath that has the corn husk. This is actually faux corn husk, but it looks so real. There's also matching picks and stems and a garland that go along with this if you're interested in a whole set. but I think it would be so beautiful with a velvet ribbon tied on it, maybe in the orange color. I love velvet for fall, so these are some of my favorite ribbons that I saw here. Although the green one is already gone. There was a green version, but it is completely wiped out. I own and love these maple stems. They're really affordable, especially on sale, and the color works really well with a neutral color palette or a more traditional one. It's so pretty. And then I also have these little Pompous grass bundles. They come in white and beige. They're really cute. You get the 3 stems. They're a little bit short, and I don't love the greenery, but you can easily take that off. These are great to add into a wreath or a garland, or you can bundle a few of them up like this and just plop it into a vase. They're just really natural and beautiful. I also wanted to show you my favorite garlands that are here. So for a traditional option, this one is absolutely stunning. I love everything about it. I think the corn husk is what really sets it off for me, but there are some really beautiful neutral options. These two are my favorite. We have the berry one with the little brown leaves, and then the one that's mostly corn husk that matches the wreath that we saw. There's also a beige maple one to the left, but I did not get a price on that. These stems are back. I was obsessed with these last year. I love this orange one, but it also comes in a completely neutral beige version. If I had a spot for another wreath, I would absolutely make a wreath out of these. They are just so pretty, or you could tuck them into a garland. I just think that these are some of the prettiest picks that they have here that I unfortunately just don't have a spot for. They do have some amber bottles. These are a great size and a decent price. Just make sure you check them well because some of them are pretty scratched up. It's just like an amber paint over clear glass, so just make sure you get the best one because you could see that one was a little bit messed up. And they also have these black taper candle holders that are a decent price and can be used year-round. Now, I have purposely not been showing any of the wood items from the fall section because the spring shop, which is 66% off, has so many wood cutting boards, bowls, decorative pieces, serving trays, all that stuff, and it is on a better clearance right now. So here's the cheat sheet if you want to refer back to this as I show you some of the pieces that I love. I love this elongated bowl. It's very unique, would be cute with pumpkins. This plaid cutting board is perfect for a fall display. I also like this caddy that has the 3 cutting boards and the little holder. It comes in the warm tone and the whitewash. This is an absolutely massive charcuterie board, so if you're somebody who likes to make charcuterie and you have a huge family, that is a must-have. That is super impressive. I also like these pedestals. I want to say that they come in other sizes, but these are the 2 smaller ones, and they'd be cute with a pumpkin on them. And this is actually such a cute tiered tray. I'm not much of a tiered tray person anymore, but I really like that one. I also really love the wooden teaspoons and the matching wooden measuring cups. They're so unique. I've never seen like wooden measuring cups before, and they'd be really fun in a baking display in a kitchen. And the bowl that they're sitting in is very high quality. I'm trying to think what I could put in that mini dough bowl. It's just so cute and it felt so sturdy. Check out the spring shop if you need any placemats. I remember I bought placemats just like these from Williams-Sonoma years ago, and it cost me a fortune. I wish I would have known that Hobby Lobby had something similar, and especially on discount for 66% off. They have a great table runner as well. And they have a bunch of dried floral in the spring shop as well. The more I looked at this, the more I thought about how it looks like a broom, and you could totally DIY this into a witch's broom because you know Hobby Lobby does not have any Halloween. I love these Reactive Glaze bowls. I should have looked around more to see if there was a whole set because I love this look. I also love these huge like bowl mug pieces that are perfect for soup or chili. And I may have to go back and snag those. I love them, but you guys, we almost had a tragedy. Look at that. what a save. I was really impressed with myself for catching that. And Hobby Lobby always puts amber glasses in their fall section. They don't have them out yet, but they have some for 75% off in the clearance aisle, so check here first. In the regular decor section, they had this really adorable oil painting that gave me total fall vibes. This is on sale for $7 because wall decor is 50% off this week, but it flip-flops every week, so you may be watching this on a week when the wall decor isn't on sale. Just check the website to see. This is a section in their everyday decor area that always gives me fall vibes. I love the like grass photography, total fall vibes, like I said, but works for year round. And I have been eyeing these baskets every time I come in. I love these. I think they would be so pretty with logs or fall floral. The last stop was the candle aisle, and obviously I was having difficulties here, but luckily I took some photos of candles that I saw that have beautiful fall colors. These range between $2 and $1.25 a piece. So that is the best of fall at my Hobby Lobby from the fall decor collection and all the other areas. Let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite item? And do you want me to go anywhere else and do the best of video like this? Maybe Kirkland's or Michael's or wherever. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in a future video. Bye now.